DJ Butter in the house. Welcome back to Wyld Eats. Today we are in beautiful Colorado and we are gonna go ski and snowboard and hang out with some friends.
And obviously we're gonna get super hungry when we're doing that, so we have an après situation here. We're gonna be whipping up some grilled cheeses, but they're inspired by French onion soup. So we're making some French onion soup, grilled cheeses, and to warm ourselves up, we're gonna make a really nice hot bev today.
We're packing up our Gerber gear, hitting the road, and we're making some of our favorite dishes for our friends along the way.
So join us where your next meal meets open sky, and let's get cooking.
Last time we made some micheladas at 8 a.m. in Baja, and now we're spring skiing in Colorado. This morning we woke up super early to catch the sunrise again at Loveland Pass, and it was pouring down snow, and the sun was peeking through. It was very cool, actually. It was a really good morning. And then we showed up pretty early and we're setting up, and now we're getting ready to go snowboarding. It's Caroline's first season up on the mountains. It's my second, and we are just gonna have a good day today.
So one of my favorite parts about snowboarding, skiing in general, is the après, you know, the tailgating.
We're here for the après.
We're here for the food, we're here for the good times, when we're able to just hang out and be with our favorite people. So we're just really excited. There's so much energy, like so many people here are tailgating, just
Enjoying the Friday.
excitement, yeah.
Yeah.
So with these grilled cheeses, we are going to caramelize some onion.
But first, before you cut an onion,
Gotta protect those eyes. All right, and then we're just gonna slice them thinly.
good thing I'm
The
wearing
goggles
protection.
are coming in clutch. Not crying, no tears here.
And then at the end of the onion, just take it off and just finely chop it so that you don't have to risk cutting those nuts.
Little fingies. We're gonna add some butter to our pans.
We'll start with a handful at a time and get them to start cooking down a little bit.
We're just gonna be here for a minute.
All right, we're gonna season it with some salt.
And then we're gonna let this cook down for about 20 minutes or so, and then we'll check back and see where we're at with the color. We're gonna be looking for a really nice, jammy, dark brown, caramelized onion. This is where all the flavor is. So to lift this back up, we're just gonna splash a bit of water into the pan and just scrape up all those brown bits. We'll just keep doing that throughout the process to keep lifting those bits from the bottom of the pan, and we're gonna get a really beautiful kind of golden color and a really delicious flavor.
Okay, so 40 minutes later, these onions are good to go and all jammy-like and tarry and caramelized. So we're gonna now add some vinegar in it to just seal the deal.
And then a little extra salt and pepper. Today we're gonna be using some shredded Gruyere cheese and sourdough bread to assemble our sandwiches.
Add the butter to the griddle, get it nice and slathered. And then we're gonna add Dijon.
Time to start layering up our cheese and onions.
And then we're gonna scoop a little bit of onion, and then we're gonna top it off again with some more cheese.
And now we cap it, give it a little love tap, and we let that cook for a couple minutes.
Before we pass these sandwiches off to our friends, we are going to top them with some hot honey and some thyme and good old flaky salt.
It may look like a simple grilled cheese, but it really is greater than the sum of its parts. With the caramelized onions, it really packs a flavor punch, and we were cranking these out all day for our friends who just kept eating them.
So we're just taking a little break from snowboarding and wanted to make a little hot drink for you guys today.
We're making a spicy mocha to warm up our little fingers and toes, so let's get cracking.
We've got a whole chocolate bar, whole milk. We're gonna spice it up with some cayenne pepper and some cinnamon, and then we have instant espresso.
So we're gonna pour our milk in and heat it up until it's simmering, and then we'll add in our chopped chocolate, our spices, and our espresso. Smells like hot milk.
All right, and we're gonna add our espresso.
Oh, that smells
Ooh, that's
strong.
a mocha building. And then we're gonna do cayenne pepper.
Dash of cayenne.
We like a little bit more cinnamon in our coffee, so we're gonna sprinkle a little bit more in here.
Ooh, that smells good. So we've got our warm, spicy mochas. There's a little bit of caffeine in there to give us an extra pep in our step. And we're just gonna kick back.
Enjoy the rest of the day with our friends.
Cheers. Woo!
Oh, you're gonna choose. Cut!